This is what you end up with when you work in the Northwest Territories for 3 months straight. Don't realize your license is expired, and then you can't fly home because you don't have ID. You can't rent a car, you can't insure a car, so you buy whatever you can off Facebook Marketplace. This was $1,700, and I got $1,600K to go. Think it'll make it? Let's find out. Not sure how I find myself in these types of situations, but this is her. It's a dually. There's a gap in the bed. It used to be a flat deck. Both tanks are brand new, so that's nice. Tires cracked. We're gonna run. Good news though, both the tail lights work. Can't really tell, but the cab lights all work. And it runs great. Just a little roadside fill up because my one fuel tank is plumbed, my other one is not. I gotta be honest, I really didn't expect for it to start snowing. Kind of stupid of me, but yeah, oh well. Let's see what these old ass cracked tires can do. Now that I don't have to worry about jinxing myself, the box is held up by 2x4s. Tires like that. And to finish off the trip, turns out that half my lug nuts in the back here are hand tight, so it's not good, but we made it to 1,600K, and that's all that matters.